In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a 12-month content calendar in Google Sheets. This is a clean, simple system you can set up once and use all year long to plan your campaigns, ideas, and publishing goals in one place. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. On the home page, look under Start a new spreadsheet and click Blank Spreadsheet to open a fresh, empty file. If a table side panel pops up on the right side of the screen, just click Close at the top of that panel so you have a clean working area. Next, we'll give the file and the tab a proper name. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click the Untitled Spreadsheet title field. Type in the name you want to use for your content calendar, something descriptive that you'll recognize later. Then press Enter to lock that name in. Now look at the very bottom left corner of the screen and find the Sheet 1 tab. Double-click on Sheet 1, then type the new tab name you'd like to use for this calendar, and press Enter once more to confirm it. Now we'll bring in the starter grid for the calendar. Copy and paste the 12-month calendar starter grid into the spreadsheet. Feel free to copy and paste it directly from the pinned comment below this video. Once it's in, take a moment to confirm that the sheet has columns for month, campaign theme, primary channel, content idea, publish goal, and status. Also double-check that there's one row for every month, running from January all the way through December. Now we're going to add a drop-down menu to the status column so you can track progress easily. Click on cell F2 in the status column. Then click and drag down to cell F13 so you've selected all 12 monthly status cells in one go. With those cells highlighted, click Insert in the top menu, and then click Drop-down from the options that appear. A Data Validation Rules panel will open on the right side of the screen. Inside that panel, you'll add 4 status options. For the first one, type Idea. For the next option, type Drafting, which will be the stage when you're actively writing content. For the third option, type Scheduled, meaning the content is queued up and ready to go. And for the fourth option, type Published, which marks anything that's already live. Once all 4 are in, click Done at the bottom of the panel. To test it out, click the new drop-down arrow inside cell F2 and select Drafting from the menu. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's make the calendar filterable and keep the header row visible while you scroll. Click on cell A1, then drag your cursor across and down to select the full range from A1 all the way to F13. With that range highlighted, click Data in the top menu, and then click Create a Filter. You'll see small filter icons appear in your header row. Next, click View in the top menu, hover over Freeze in the drop-down, and then click one row from the side menu that appears. Take a quick look to confirm that the header row now displays filter icons on each column, and try scrolling down to confirm the header row stays pinned at the top of the sheet while the rest of the rows move. And that's it. Your Google Sheet is now a fully working 12-month content calendar with one planning row for every month, complete with campaign themes, primary channels, content ideas, publishing goals, and a working status drop-down. The header row is filterable and frozen at the top, so as you scroll through your months and update entries, the column labels stay right where you need them. From this point on, you can fill in each row as your campaigns take shape, switch the status from idea to drafting, to scheduled, to published, and use the filter icons to sort your view however you like. Your calendar is ready for ongoing content planning across the entire year.